I'm a doctor who ended up selling medical equipment, and that changes everything about how we approach cardiac monitoring solutions. At TenKo Medical, we don't just sell ECG systems and Holter devices. We understand what you actually need in the field. Our cardiac monitoring lineup includes ambulatory BP monitors and centralized ECG stations that work the way healthcare works. We also specialize in maternal and fetal health with integrated monitoring systems, fetal incubators, and Doppler monitors. Everything meets CE and ISO standards, with installation, training, and after-sales support included. What sets us apart? Global reach, flexible ordering, expert technical service, and extended warranties. Because when you've been on both sides of healthcare, you know what really matters. Request the full TenKo catalog today.